Lloyd! Lloyd! Gising na, Lloyd! Lloyd! Swimming tayo, Lloyd! Ay! Oh my God! Ready ka na agad?
Diba? Always ready for everything. Isusi pa tayo? Magdala ka!
And now we are in the corridor and we can smell something fishy going on.
Fishy.
Fishy, okay. There's something fishy. There's something good morning. There's something fishy going on because we can smell something that is very familiar. That is very, you know, something. And this is the pool, darling. The pool, darling, is so good. The view is so fabulous. Like, oh my God. Say hi to Ellie. Hi, Ellie. We just broke in chinelas.
Minsan kailangan mo ma-adjust.
Alam mo naman, malaki masyado. So we are now here. Come on. Wow. Oh my God, this is so fabulous. Ang ganda dito, te. Ibang level. Ang ganda dito, te. Ibang level. Pero may nakita ko kanina. I wonder what is this. Tara. Pero isip ako kung ano to. Hindi ko alam kung para sa baby ba yan o para sa panghugas ng paa. Ay, tatlong bibi akong nakita. Mataba, mapayat mga bibe. Alam there. Oh my God. Now let's swim. Ito na po ang aking finished product. So ayan, mag-shower na tayo para pag-swim na. Oh, shit. Ang lamig. Oh my God. It's already 6 o'clock. It's early as 6. Paano ba? Ano ba English to? 6 o'clock pa ngayon. Ang lamig pa. Ang inis. Ano ba? Paano ba to?
Lahat pala may tao dyan.
So, ang buong mundo po ay nakatingin sa amin. Wala na kaming pakialam. Bahala na yan. Ayan, we will try. So, oh my God, we are here in the water already and we're going to dip this phone. And we will try.
1, 2, 3, go!
Wait, tante, wala pa. Madali, ano? 1, ayan, you can see my dark contours. I have dark contours. 1, 2, 3. Okay, bounce, bounce, bounce. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go!
Pataas!
Tapos na nga yung meet and greet at sobrang ang saya at nakakaloka at the same time dahil yung shock